So hello guys, as you can see, this is the AdlinkFly PHP script which we have installed in the last video on Hostinja Hpanel, and in this video we are going to change this theme. Okay, we are going to add a custom theme, Hype Black theme in this URL shortener, and this is the AdlinkFly default theme, the AdlinkFly cloud theme, and we are going to change it in the Hype Black theme. Okay, so let's follow the full installation process, and before that make sure to subscribe. So for this tutorial we are using Hype Black theme. You can download and purchase and download any theme from Hype store. As you can see, there are so many themes, and after purchasing you will get a zip file something like this. So open it and it will open in a zip file. So inside that you will find a upload me.zip file. Okay, simply extract this zip file in a folder, and now let's follow the installation process and follow so for installing the scripts, go to the file manager section, log into your Hpanel and go to the file manager section, then to that domain, and we have go to the public HTML directory. And this is a complete like mass process in Hostinja. You have to like zip every single file on this folder and download to your PC, then extract the theme in your PC. So let's just make the public HTML file in a zip file. So click on the archive button and give any name. You can give any name also, and simply put the zip directory. Okay, I'm giving the public public Shortify. Okay, simply put this name and then simply click the zip button. So it will generate a zip file for that. As you can see, this is the zip file, and we have to download this to our PC. Okay, to our computer. Simply, as you can see, click on download button. It will start downloading the zip file, and we have to extract it and paste it in our computer. Okay, so simply copy the downloaded file and copy to our folder where we have stored our theme. Okay, as you can see, this is our folder where we have stored the AdlinkFly script and the theme in the last video. Simply paste it here, and as you can see, we have to extract this folder right now. So extract the public, we have downloaded the previous file. So simply right click on it and extract in your PC. So the PC extraction process takes time. It will take. Now we just have to close it and upload the webroot folder, upload me folder. Simply copy this file, to this folder, public HTML, paste it here and extract it. Now you just have to follow the extraction process, simply click the extract, simply extract this zip file inside the public HTML folder. Okay, what we are doing in Cpanel, we have to follow the same process in Cpanel, like we go to the file manager, public HTML folder, and extract this file. But in Hpanel we have to copy the whole file into our PC, then extract the same process, blah blah blah. Okay, so it will extract in a upload me folder. Simply copy this file, simply right click, copy this file, and right click here and paste. Okay, simply click the paste and simply choose the replace button. It will extract automatically and simply replace this file destination. Simply click this, it will replace some file in the root folder. Then now you have to just click to the delete the upload me folder, then delete the upload me folder as well, and we have to upload this. Okay, now again we have to zip this file. Simply compress this file, and it will compress it to a public HTML zip file, and we have to upload this public HTML to our Hpanel. Okay, now we have to simply go to home file, then delete the public HTML directory, whole public HTML directory, then simply upload our own public HTML directory which we have created. Okay, simply go to here, then select the public HTML zip and upload it. So here you can see uploading has complete. Now you have to extract this on archive, then simply click A and then simply extract this folder in a HTML directory, then simply move this directory to our own public HTML section. Okay, simply move. As you can see, we have to delete the A folder, and you can see now we have to go to our Shortener and simply reload, and you can see our theme has been successfully applied. We just have to go to the administration section, and we will go to our main site. As you can see, there is the cloud theme, old cloud theme, and we have to go to the administration setting section, then setting, then design section, and then we will find the Hype Black theme. Okay, simply now click the save button, and it will apply the black theme in our AdlinkFly PHP script. Okay, now you can go back to our public HTML directory, delete this old file. Simply click on delete this old file, and you can see we have successfully installed the AdlinkFly PHP script, and along with the custom theme. The whole process is so frustrating, but what we can do, it's Hostinja Hpanel. Okay, so hope you like this video, and subscribe this channel Unmind, and I will post something like next video how you can redirect this AdlinkFly PHP script to your WP Shortener in Hostinger panel, and lot more videos are coming in English. Okay, for English videos tutorials, subscribe this channel and stay tuned. Take care, bye bye, namaskar.